Hey guys, welcome to another video. In this video I'm going to be working on my 79 K10 here behind me, and we are going to be mounting these Raceline Daytonas. And I'm super excited. I got 15s, which is going to look very small on this truck, but I wanted to keep it a little classic. So I'm excited to be able to put these on here and see what it's going to look like. I have tires coming, but before we start with all the decorating and all the stuff I really want to do, first we need to bring this body down because the last owner that owned this truck put this awful body lift on it, and that's not what we want. Don't want any of that junk on there. So we're going to take that off today, and then we're going to put these wheels on. I will say the one good thing about lifted trucks is that I can sit under here. So I'm hoping these guys didn't do it too long ago because, oh, what is this? There's like a storm happening outside. And these mounts are not so good, so probably later on. The other ones looked okay, but these are kind of messed up, so I'm probably gonna order new ones, redo all this, but that's okay because it wasn't that much of a pain in the butt as I thought it was gonna be. Oh yeah, I have to lift the car up. Haha. Come on. This is a long bolt. That's why they have it like this. Oh. Yeah, that's probably why my e-brake was all fucked up. So this is how it's sitting now. I can already see a difference, and it doesn't look as bad. It just, I don't know. I like the stuffed look on old trucks, you know? A few days have passed. I have the wheels in the back of the K10, and I have the tires that finally came in. So I went, because these are 15s, so I went with 35, 13, 50, 15s, which apparently is a very hard tire to find, which was kind of stupid, but I found Toyos. My original plan was to go 37s on this thing, but after bringing the body down and kind of looking at it, and these wheels on it, or these tires on it right now are close to 35, and I kind of like the way it looked because it kept it a little bit more old school, so I decided, okay, well if I'm going to go 35s, I'm going to go as big as I can on a 35. And that's what it is. They're wide. I'll show you guys right now. As you can see, through this hole here, it's about the same height. Here are the 35s that want to be 37s. They look really good. It is so hard to resist putting these on. But until I have all four, I don't want to put 3 on and then something happens and the 4th one doesn't come in for a long time for some reason. It is the next day again. The tire is not here yet. I'm literally, the window's right here. I have like visual of when they will show up. But my patience is non-existent, so I'm going to put these wheels on. When they delivered the wheels on Monday, they delivered all 3 of them, or the tires, all 3 of them, without me. I didn't even notice that they were outside. How do you unload 3 35s and not, I don't know, they're sneaky around here. They'll come, deliver, like as fast as they can, and then run away. Which is kind of nice, actually. I think I'm gonna tape this, clean this off, and paint it. Okay. Everything else I don't care about. Then I think I'm gonna paint this too in case I do have to use it. It's all cleaned up. I'm gonna leave this on for now until I have the wheel on. I made this matte and this is gloss because the wheel is gloss. So I'm kind of, if I do have to use this, I'm hoping it'll look nice. Let's see. Everything gets dusty within 10 minutes of existing here. But so I decided to paint the center caps black. I didn't get race line ones, which kind of sucks, but yeah, I went with gloss black for it to kind of go with the whole wheel. Because sometimes they look good without the center caps, but I feel like these wheels really needed them. What's going on? What's up? What's up? You want a hug? You just want a hug? Okay. It's coming together. I wish these poles weren't in my way. Moment of silence for how good this looks. And it just started to rain. It looks so good. I actually don't think I'm even gonna lower it down. It actually sits really nice. The wheels look really good. So I didn't show you guys the whole install process because I know you know how to put on a wheel, so what's the point of that? But I did paint these and these, and it does look better because it's all black. So I can't stop staring at it. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. The truck looks so much better than it did. And I'm so excited. Tomorrow the exhaust goes on and then the adventures really start with this thing. If you enjoy watching my videos, make sure to like, subscribe, do all the YouTube stuff that everybody else does. But for me, thank you. Bye.